Good morning, all of you. Myself, Dr. Rajaram Jadhav. I am talking about the agricultural scenario of the world and India. Agriculture is the largest employer in the world and the most weather dependent of the human activities. At the same time, agricultural practices are under the pressure of changing climate and weather. At present, 40% of the Earth's land surface is managed for cropland and pasture land in developing countries. Around 70% of the total population are dependent on agriculture. Total annual crop losses in the world agriculture are mainly due to direct weather impacts, whereas droughts, floods, untimely rain, frost, hail, heat and cold waves and severe storms, water balance and weather extremes are key to many agricultural impacts, which are larger in some regions of the world. Geography is concerned with the spatio-temporal distribution of various characteristics on the Earth's surface. Geography, the subject, has been divided into two major and many sub-areas of study. Agriculture geography is one of the important branch of human geography. Agriculture is a primary activity which basically depends on nature. Agriculture is a science and art of cultivating soil, growing and harvesting of crops, domestication of animals, raising of plants for the use of human being. Agriculture is a more dynamic and diverse than any other human activity. Increasing population of the world needs to huge amount of food, which will fulfill only by the high potential of agriculture. It is still largely dependent on environmental condition. In agriculture nowadays, more techniques are introduced, more things are introduced in agriculture. We have to familiarize to poor farmers to adopt them. The conventional method of cultivation are going on till now. The agriculture continued in this country more as a way of life than as occupation. The knowledge of cultivation transfer from one generation to another. As such, for a very longer period, there was absolutely no change either in the methods of cultivation or in the cropping pattern or cropping system in India. We learn from the various accounts cultivation or in cropping system after the Green Revolution. The government and the people could think of improving the lot of agricultural in planned way. Larger number of experiments were continued which were responsible for gradual change in agriculture of India. Agricultural land use in study, we have to record changes in last few decades due to the unwanted climatic situations. So we have to cope the climate and we have to accelerate the agricultural practices with new scientific methods. So last but not least, remember, without the farmers there will be no food and without food there will be no life. So save farmers, save life, save nation and save earth. Thank you very much.